Hi there, I'm Leah. Welcome back to my channel where I make videos to help your e-commerce brand turn its followers into customers. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you the difference between social commerce and social selling. So let's start with social commerce. What is social commerce? Well, social commerce enables brands to leverage social media platforms to sell products. This allows social media app users to purchase products directly within their social media environment. This reduces the amount of clicks and steps it takes to purchase a product, which increases the conversion rate. This will lead to brands making more money and having a higher customer satisfaction rate, making everybody happy all way round. So then what is social selling? Well, social selling is when a salesperson uses social media to find, nurture and engage with prospects using activities such as sharing posts, replying to comments and direct messaging. Social selling is all about building relationships, so you can identify pain points that you can offer solutions to, making an easier life for your new prospects. This increases conversion rate compared to traditional methods like cold calling. Although social commerce and social selling commonly get confused as being the same thing, you should be able to tell from my examples that these two are not the same. So I'm hoping that from my examples you now understand better what social commerce is and what social selling is. So we have come to the end of the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and also don't forget to turn on the bell so YouTube will notify you when I post these new videos. I want to thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye.